Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports, where we present to you a Nissan Qashqai diesel, top of the range with a lot of extras on it. It's coming part exchange. We don't usually acquire stock like this to sell, but it's coming part exchange. We've been able to test it, look around it, and we just think it's fantastic value for money, even considering the mileage. It's still got a lot to go. See, it's in really good condition. Front park distance control. Colours, it says black on the logbook, but it's got a tinge of red in there. It's definitely not full black. Alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, so it really does gleam. Beautiful colour. Rear park distance control. Does also have a camera, reverse camera. It actually has 360 camera, I believe. You can see it's in for its age and its mileage, great value for money. There's a little mark on the court there. It doesn't detract from how nice it is. Boot area, that's all in lovely condition. You've got the rear parcel shelf, reverse camera. Has big option, full leather interior, and the other big option, panoramic roof. Electric windows, electric mirrors, power folding mirrors. I mean, for the mileage, there's just no wear on that bolster. Lovely condition. Heated seats. Just start the car up. $132,528 miles. It's got cruise control, traction control, lane assist, multifunction steering wheel, touch screen, satellite navigation, climate control. We'll just test how cold that is. So we've got, there we go, satellite navigation, reverse 360 camera, media pack, DAB, 6-speed gearbox, yeah, auxiliary USB. As I say, there's a slide that slides across if you want to slide it. Got everything you would want for such a low amount of money. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.